Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC GeForce RTX 4070 GDDR6 GPUs. So friends, ZOTAC has announced RTX 4080 Twin Edge with GDDR6 memory and cost $10 less than GDDR6X version. So friends, the newly released graphics card featuring Nvidia's RTX 4070 chipset but with downgrade GDDR6 memory instead of GDDR6X found in previous model. While the official launch of this version was scheduled for this month, and retailer appear slow to promote the release, and however board partners like ZOTAC are actively updating. So friends, the ZOTAC GDDR6 model where it is exclusive for the Chinese market without any clear indication of the new memory type, and now the company is expanding the range globally and releasing additional version based on the Twin Edge series. As shown above, the company now confirmed the memory type. And ZOTAC new RTX 4070 model come in both black and white edition with factory overclock, OC and non-OC variant available. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.